Well, the Altay tank is set to begin mass production in 2025 and will be using a Korean power group due to the embargo on Germany. In this video, we will be discussing the timeline for the Altay tank's production, the replacement of its electronic subsystems, and the establishment of the Altay mass production factory in Ankara. Altay Main Battle Tank, AMT, new program schedule has been announced. The new generation Altay tank, in which most of its subsystems will be replaced with its modern counterparts, will go into mass production in 2025. The agreement between the Presidency of Defense Industries and BMC for the mass production of the Altay Main Battle Tank was signed in 2018. A new mass production target has been set for the Altay tank, which could not enter the mass production phase due to the embargo imposed by Germany in the field of engines. With the ceremony held in Arafai, 6 new generation Fırtına howitzers were delivered to the Turkish Armed Forces. 2 Altay tanks will be delivered to the Turkish Armed Forces and the Power Group Manufacturer Company in May 2023. Altay tank will begin mass production in 2025, as we mentioned at the beginning of the video. Due to the embargo of Germany, the Korean Power Group, consisting of the DV27K diesel engine produced by Hyundai Doosan and the EST15K transmission produced by SNT Dynamics, will be used in the Altay tank. 2 Altay tanks to be delivered in May will also be used in the tests to be carried out with these power groups. If the tests of the other electronic subsystems of the tank, especially the power group, are successful, it is aimed to start mass production in 2025. In fact, the date 2025 is not new for many of our followers. What will be the process when Altay is ready for mass production? Let's say that within a year, the power pack issue was concluded and integration was carried out, the system-level test of the components was carried out, the production line qualification was completed, and the work for the T0 stage was started. If T0 activities were to be completed in October 2023, the first mass-produced Altay T1 tank will come off the line 24 months later, in October 2025, according to the contract. Altay's electronics will be replaced. Many subsystems of the Altay tank, designed by Otokar about 10 years ago, became obsolete over time. Accordingly, 2 Altay tanks, which will be unloaded in May, will be equipped with modern subsystems. These modern subsystems will also be used in the targeted serial production of the tank in 2025. In a way, BMC will have created Altay's mass production configuration. Factory to be established in Ankara. The Altay mass production factory, which was previously planned to be established in Sakarya, will be established in Ankara in line with the newly taken decision. In this direction, the groundbreaking ceremony of the factory will be held in the coming days. The Altay tank is set to revolutionize Turkey's military technology with its advanced power group and modern subsystems. The timeline for its mass production is set for 2025 and the factory will be established in Ankara. We will be sure to keep you updated on any further developments and information about the Altay tank. Thank you for watching.